This is Ben stuff. Yay!
Benjamin, it's finally here. All the way from Sweden.
Sweet.
Yeah, we got Misty from Misty Robotics.
Yeah.
And it just came.
We've been waiting for this for a while.
We have been, and we're pretty pumped up about opening this box.
Because this
and
robot's really cool.
Yeah. So if you guys don't know what Misty is, we're going to put in the links in the description, and you guys can go check it out for yourselves.
Yeah.
But what we're going to do right now is we're going to open this box.
And show you what it does.
Oh, boy.
I'm so excited.
All right,
It's
Ben,
like
there you
opening
go.
the Now Robot. Meet Misty.
Ooh.
This
Well,
is
I
a
better
good
come this way.
introduction.
Yeah, that's nice so far. Meet Misty, all right.
So you got some 2 tabs here, Misty Robotics.
Whoa! Oh my goodness, look at that thing.
It looks like, it reminds me of the T9E.
My goodness, look at this.
Look at this.
Is that...
That's foam.
Oh my. You know what?
Bro, it looks
It's almost like there's like...
It's like we're opening a bomb.
Yeah, that thing's cool. All right, can you get it out? If I hold the box a little bit. Look at that. Ooh.
Oh, look, it has Misty there. So, let's
Look
look
at
at the
that.
front here. It says,
That's
look
nice.
at that! It looks like we're in Squid Games.
That thing is so cool.
What the?
I've never seen a box like that before. That's crazy.
This
It's got a
is
nice
so
handle on
cool.
it.
The wrapper.
Man.
And it has the Misty.
We haven't even opened it up yet, and we're already like blown away. All right, let's put it on its back,
I'm so
and then
excited.
hit the switches there and open it up.
1, 2. Is there any on the back
There
side?
we go.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness! Look at the size of him.
Look at it!
Look at that. So we got right here, removing your Misty. That's good. Having that is really good for these
Because
containers.
it tells you how to remove it.
Yeah, because people might just get them and start pulling at it, and it might break the neck.
Yeah, 'cause you don't know
the
how to
head.
open it.
Yeah, that's smart. Whoever, give that person a promotion. Whoever's out of that.
Give him an extra raise.
So it looks like we got a power cord here.
Yeah, let's rip it out here. Well, not rip it, but...
Yeah, so we got
So
a power cord.
This, the power supply. And then we got the plug
cable.
there.
That's serious business with that type of cable.
Very serious.
Okay, and then we got this right here.
That's just probably just like to hold something.
Maybe. And then we have Misty, but we're not going to take Misty out. We're going to read how to remove your Misty.
him.
I know when you get something like this, you're probably just super excited and you don't want to
just
read
rip it out.
You just want to get it out.
And then by
play
the
with it.
time you turn it on, it's just broken.
Yeah, so let's read how to remove Misty. Can you take the instructions out and let's figure it out? This case is super
like,
cool.
It's like super glued on there.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, so that you don't lose it, I guess.
Oh, look at it. It
Removing
just
your
tells you
Misty.
how. So it tilted up. So we got to tilt the box up and we're going
And
to
then
pull
we
it
grab it from like right here.
Yeah, okay, so we're going to
Look
stand
at
the box
that.
up.
That's it.
Yeah, just like that, just like the instructions.
Let's remove this. And then we grab it from right here.
Yeah. Oh, look. Oh, that came out nice.
That did.
I can't go over this box.
Yo, look, it's head.
It's so smart to have this box like this because if you ever go traveling...
Yeah,
you know, oh,
but
there's something right here. We didn't even see this.
it's not gonna be...
Ooh!
Oh my god, look at that!
It's purple Misty. All right, so
Purple.
let's see what's inside that.
There's so much stuff. It's because it's foam.
I'm highly impressed with Misty so far.
Yeah.
Completely different from what you see online.
Like, you don't see any of this on the other robots.
Yeah, when I was looking at the other videos, it didn't look this cool, like this big. It's huge.
It's ginormous. Like,
Oh my
look, its
goodness.
head turns like side to side.
I can't wait to turn this on. All right, so what does it say in that little package there?
Okay, so let's see. I'm going to keep that.
Nice little booklets. Are they in
So it
instructions?
says Misty II. Let's see what's in here. So that's just like...
It could be warranty papers.
This product has been tested and found completely with its limits for class and digital. Okay, so this says it's been tested.
Oh, that's good. That's really good because if they test it before they send it, you know it's good quality then.
Oh, look, so it has stickers. I'm pretty sure that's what
I
it
see.
is. That's really cool, and it shows like
Oh,
Misty
yeah.
there.
That's neat. The little things that they don't have to do that they're sending you with
Yeah,
stickers.
like they didn't have to send that.
Yeah, nobody. Yeah, you don't have to make these and put it in. That's
But
extra
they
stuff.
did.
That's cool.
Yeah. So we have the user manual. So like, welcome. We're excited that you share the vision of personal robots working alongside a spark. What's that say? Individual enjoyments and meet business needs.
Mm-hmm.
So that's cool.
That is neat. So we're gonna read through that book after.
Yeah.
We'll read it to everybody, but we'll read it to make sure we know everything. But we're gonna get ready to turn this on.
It says how to wipe it.
And for the first time, you're gonna see it turn on with us.
And we're gonna be excited.
Yeah, we're gonna be. I'm pretty sure we're gonna be blown away.
Yes.
But I can't get over it. So guys, look at the size. I'm gonna do it like a. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
I'm gonna go around and
This
look
might
at the back.
be reusable.
So it's got a cool an antenna.
Antenna?
Yeah.
I don't even know if that actually gets used.
I don't know.
Look at the back, like
back?
it has a whole handle. Oh, look. That's a battery or something.
That's cool.
USB.
All right, so we're gonna turn this thing on, right? We gotta turn it on.
We have to, yeah.
I'm getting tired of not having it on. It's gotta turn on. All right, so we'll get the plug and we'll plug it in.
Yep.
And we'll get ready to turn on.
Absolutely.
Okay, so I'm just gonna pause it and we'll be back to turn it on together for everybody.
Okay.
Okay, Ben.
We got
we read how to turn it on, so let's get Misty on the ground, just in case. I don't know if Misty moves.
Oh, look, it has bumpers.
Oh yeah, look at that. Mm-hmm.
So let's get it on the ground here.
I'm sure there's a million things that we don't know about Misty right now.
Yeah, but we're doing it.
We're gonna find all that out.
So there's a switch on.
I'm really curious about the how to code with the programming on it.
Yeah. Right. Oh, there we go. Oh, you can hear the fan.
Yeah.
So there's the Misty logo. There's a little loading thing there.
We're waiting. I am not going to hit pause. I'm not fast forwarding anything.
We're
gonna
not doing
watch
anything.
Misty yeah.
Full review.
Look at the cool camera right there. Can you guys see the camera?
Okay, wait. It's like watching a movie. You just you're just
yeah,
so
you're waiting
excited.
for it.
There's still loading there.
Did you see that flashing light?
Oh.
Oh. Wake up, Misty.
So you just gotta wait until the eyes are fully open.
Okay. It's like a booting sequence.
Yeah.
Look at the light underneath. That's cool. Whoa. Oh my goodness.
Look at that.
There it is. Wow.
There
That
you
is
go.
impressive.
That's very impressive.
I like the lights on the bottom.
Wait, there's a charging station?
Look at that. Look at it. It's like it's breathing.
Yeah. Look. Oh.
Oh. All the colors changing. Moving
This
the
is
arms.
awesome. It's great to stretch my arms and treads again. Whoa, this place is great. I should really find some people. If anyone is there, could you look at me so I can see you?
Oh, that's you, Ben. Go look at them.
I'm looking at you.
Why, hello. Good to see you. Thanks
Hi.
for starting me up. You probably already know this, but I'm Misty. I'm a powerful little robot with all sorts of abilities you can use right away, and more that are just a few clicks away.
That is so
And if you learn how to code a little, the things we can do are almost endless. For now, when I ask you a question, you can either say yes or no after I've finished speaking when the blue light on the side of my head is on. Or you can also press my front right bumper under this arm for yes. Or my front left bumper under this arm for no. Do you understand?
Yes.
I'm sorry, I'm having trouble understanding you. Please ensure there is limited background noise. Speak up and respond with yes or no. Or you can also press my front right bumper for yes. Or my front left bumper for no. Do you understand?
Yes.
Oh no, I'm so sorry. I am still having
Maybe you gotta
trouble
press the button.
understanding you.
Yep, press the
For
button.
now, if you are trying to speak to me, please use my bumpers instead. You can press down on my front right bumper below this arm
Okay,
for
wait
yes.
again.
Or you can press down on my front left bumper below this arm for no. Do you understand? Great. Okay, let me see if I can find a network.
Oh my goodness.
Okay,
Oh,
let's get connected to a new network. For this, you will need to download the Misty Robotics phone application from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. If you have trouble, check
looking
out
at
our
you?
This is
documentation
staring
at
at me.
docs.mistyrobotics.com and search for app in the search bar. Make sure your phone is connected to the same network you wish to add me to. Press my bumper when you have installed the app on your phone.
Okay, so I'm gonna have to grab
All
my
right.
tablet.
yeah, go get your tablet. I'll hit pause.
Oh my God.
This thing is, I love this already. We're just setting it up. And
This
I
thing
love
is amazing. Look, it's following my face.
That is so cool. All right, go get the tablet.
Okay.
All right, Ben, we are back after having Misty for a little while and getting used to what Misty can do.
Yeah.
And I think Misty's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is really cool.
Yeah, so Misty has some stuff, and I'm going to show this screen in the video so you guys can watch it because we're going to record that and show you so it's better quality. But Misty has got like so many features built into it. It's got a huge community of people that make scripts for Misty that have some really cool things. We're going to show you one of them. And then if you guys like the code or you have any knowledge in coding at all, this is the robot for you. It has everything in it that you can think of. It's just not one of those like a robot, you know, like the ones that don't cost as much.
Yeah.
They got like some Blockly in it, but this one has like everything, like Python and C#. Like it's got, you guys, if you're, it's coding dream. That's what it is.
Yeah.
So Ben, how about you go through and show us what Misty can do?
Okay.
So show us like on the screen, like what Misty can do with the
Face?
built-in features.
So, like, for the face?
Yeah.
So, for, like, let's not do the actions yet. Let's do the images. So, you can do, if you look here, it looks like it's happy. And then, so that's, like, joy, default,
Right?
angry,
Oh.
sadness, amazement. Was that aggressiveness?
And you guys can see like how many different things are already pre-programmed in it.
Concept, love, joy, goofy.
And what are the ones down at the bottom? So we have some audio ones too, right?
Yeah, so we can do like,
Ooh.
and then, so that's awe 2, and then the last one, awe 3.
And they have all these other pre-programmed voice sounds that you can add, right?
Yeah.
Right. And what are the ones above it? So we have audio there, which is a lot.
Yeah, and then we got like the, ooh, I like that one.
Ooh, that is pretty cool.
So that's the camera. We got images, actions, and audio. We haven't done the actions yet.
All right,
So
what's
this,
the action do?
This is body reset. So
Okay,
it like sets everything to its normal position.
Right?
This is high.
Oh. Hey, Misty.
This is rock angry.
Look at him. He even has the red light.
Yeah.
And as you can see, like the camera's moving too, right?
Yeah, so
it's-
like you can see up here, like while we're doing this.
Mhm.
So walk fast.
So we have Misty mounted on the foam plate, so Misty doesn't go anywhere, and that's great for if you're coding. So if you're doing something, and you want to make sure that Misty's not going to fall off the table or do anything silly, you can prop it up,
Yeah. And yeah. And then we got love.
right? No,
Aw.
it hurts. Aw.
And it's got its red thing there for
Yeah.
like a heart.
What about the there's arms, so you can move the arms there, I can see.
Oh yeah, so you can like sometimes it takes a little bit to send to the robot. Sometimes you gotta click it a couple times.
Mhm.
So you can lift it up.
So you can manually move everything.
Yeah. Down. And then for the oopsies. For the other one, up and down.
That's cool, and the head too, right?
Yeah. So you can like make it look left and right. And then let's just hit body reset.
And look at the quality. So this camera's 4K, guys.
Yeah, so you can record like 4K.
So I'm going to show you like an image, and I'm going to point out all the things that Misty can do, or the features that are built in. Because you can just look at Misty and you wouldn't know.
No,
you wouldn't know what's inside Misty. You wouldn't know like there's all these sensors and cameras, and man, there's like so much like advanced stuff built into this machine. It's crazy.
Yeah, and then you got so we did left and right, and and then it has like a tilt head, which not many robots have.
No.
So you can like tilt its head left.
Yeah, I think
almost
that's amazing.
like it's curious.
That's right. Yeah. And then there's the LEDs you can change there too. Like you can change the colors, right?
Yeah, so you can change it like really, like bright purple.
Yeah.
And then red that you saw a lot.
Yeah, so you can change the colors.
And
so
then,
anything you see, you can change, really.
Yeah, and then you could just make it a flashlight.
Yeah, and let's do the speech. Let's hear her say something. You can even click that right now. It says, "Hi, I'm Misty. How are you?" Let's see it.
Hi, I'm Misty. How are you?
See, it's pretty good.
And then you can also make it so like, so just for like a thing here, hit listen after speaking.
Mm-hmm.
G.
Hello. And then, well, it's not perfect, but it
says, "Oh, try it again."
But here's what
G.
Hello.
Oh, there you go. So it's got voice recognition, so it knows what you're saying, and that's super cool.
Yeah. So, but it can't hear like humming and stuff. It's only like more like words I can hear.
Oh yeah, and look at you can change right down here too. They got the different. Look at all the different languages, guys. Like that's
you can do like India.
built in.
Holy moly!
That's a lot of languages, guys. Usually, some robots they want you to like pay for extra languages. And that's silly.
And then
So and there's a rabbit and a turtle on the bottom.
Oh yeah, we'll get to the driving in a minute.
Yep.
But that's just like the speed of how you drive.
Mm-hmm. So that's pretty cool. So now let's go to the programming. Let's take a look at that real quick.
It also has tutorials.
That's right, guys. So yeah, if you don't know what you're doing, they got Robot Studio, the basic Blockly, and Blockly Advanced, and it talks and walks you through the whole thing.
Yeah, so like if you play it, it actually like it tells you to click things, and then once you click that, it starts the next thing.
That's right, yeah.
So that's really cool that not much robots have as well.
No, yeah, it's a nice tutorial. So look at all the different programming languages on there. You got Blockly, Python, API Explorer. So if you click the, which one is it? The skill management, I believe. Okay, so here is where you can add your own scripts. So
let's just do
right now it's got the C# on there.
Let's do follow face.
And then the other one, you have JavaScript up there. And then you can just upload the zip files right to the robot.
Yeah.
Like it's just right to it. And then you can click start and stop. Yeah. So right now we have follow human, we have wave back, follow face, meet Misty.
So follow face.
But that's just some of them. We have a whole bunch, and there's community. So I'm going to show you if I can hop on the mouse here quick, Ben. So you got up here. So we have like different ones. So this is where I got the Wanderer one, right? And then they tell you all about it. And then there's other, like, if you just go do a search for Misty GitHub, you can find all these. Look at all these, a whole bunch of them. And these are things that people have made that
by
you
themselves.
can, yeah, that people have know how to code, did a really good job, and they put all these on here for everybody to use.
Mm-hmm.
So it's so easy to find it, and there's good community. And there's also like different chat rooms you can go to with Slack, and the big community. Mm-hmm. So you don't have to worry about it running out of like things to do. There's always people making cool new scripts for it.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so let's kind of show the Blockly this so people can see that.
So let's go to Blockly.
Yep. So here's the Blockly right here. I'll flip through it real quick. So we got all the different logics. All right, let me just click new here and get rid of this. Yep, so you can see. All right, so you got all the different stuff that you can put in there. You got loops, different type of looping methods, math equations. Look, you even got square roots in here, sine, cosines. Look at that. Oh my goodness, they got tons of stuff in there. Different types of text.
This robot does so much stuff.
I know, it's incredible. Lists. different variables. You can create your own variables. You can create your own functions, which you need to do. And look at, and they got all this, Misty, the movement, speech, audio. Let me scroll that up a bit. Vision, events, like all this stuff. If you're like fluent with Blockly, easy stuff right here, easy stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And again, if you don't know, if you don't see something that's there, you just make your own. Perfect.
Which they probably have something for you.
Yeah. All right. So let's get the follow me on there and just show people how it works. So we're going to have to take Misty down.
All right.
Back up.
Let's take Misty up.
And I think that's a great feature. So when you lift up Misty.
You don't pick it up by its head because that's one of the weak points.
Yeah, you don't want to do that. Absolutely. You always grab it from the bottom. And right there, guys, that when we first opened the box, we're like, what is that? But that's for Misty. It's specifically made for you to put Misty on so it doesn't roll away or do anything.
Yeah, but before we do any of that, they have also a magnet backpack.
Yep.
So you can plug in USB, and then they have like other backpack things. So they have like a draw thing, so you can draw.
Oh, yeah.
And I think this is just for like extra storage or something.
And there's an actual docking station you can get as well. So instead of having it plugged in, which is fine, there's nothing wrong with having it plugged in, you can have Misty actually go into a docking station, which is super cool.
Will probably be more convenient.
Yeah, I guess if you have it on a roaming feature or whatever you have it programmed to do at your business or at home, you can have it docked there and charge.
Some people actually made a program to make it go to its dock.
Really?
Yeah.
That's cool. Okay, so you hit start. So right now, Misty's going to follow Ben.
And if I go
See,
closer
you go too close, it backs up. Yeah.
And it can kind of like just follow me.
Right, and then on the app, if you do it look on your laptop, Misty's like sensing where you are.
Yeah.
And it's putting like a red square around Ben's face so it can track him at all times.
Yeah.
And that's super cool. Look, it backs up. It knows.
So I don't know if you could like put that on there so you can like see my face
Okay, yep.
or what it sees.
Yeah, so it's targeting him. Look, you can see how it's targeting where he is. And that's pretty cool.
It's tracking this guy.
I wonder if you can turn up the speed. Can you move the speed movement on that? Make it go faster?
I think it goes for a certain speed.
Or is it something that's pre-programmed in it?
It might be that, yeah. Yeah, it's
Yeah, so whoever made the script had it for a pre-programmed set for speed. Which is good. I guess you don't want the thing going super fast. It's hard to track and follow you for that.
And it also has bumpers, so if it runs into something, that happens.
Uh-oh.
And then, so it can't, I think it also has like sensors on the bottom so it doesn't fall on the ground.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it knows it's up in the air.
Oh my goodness.
Missy's getting all paranoid being that high up in the air. And Ben, it knows you when you see her, right? So
yeah, so if we go, I think it's explore and we go to vision.
Yeah.
Face recognition. And then if you see right there, it says Ben.
Does it say Ben? Where does it say it? Face
Label.
ID?
Label.
Oh, Benjamin. Oh, it says your name. I see that. That's super cool.
I think it goes, okay, sometimes it says unknown.
So then you can have different, that's amazing that it knows your face like that.
I think this is about its limit before it stops seeing me. Maybe over here. Holy. It still sees me.
Missy's got eyes around its head.
That's scary.
So that's pretty cool. So all the pre-programmed stuff that you're seeing on the screen right now, that's stuff that's really easy to use. Like, you don't have to worry about anything. So they've made it a little easy for you to enjoy Misty when you first get it. Because some people don't know how to code. But I would if you do know how to code, I would recommend getting this. This is highly, highly advanced for coding.
Yeah. So if you go to live data,
Yeah.
you have a bunch of things here. So if I hit bump sensors,
Yeah.
you'll see it actually
Oh, yeah.
shows what bumper is being clicked.
That's super cool.
And they also have that with the touch sensors. So there's one on the back of its head.
Oh, wow.
It has so many sensors on its head. Like, look at that. That's crazy. And then you got its chin. And then, I don't know, what's a scruff? Oh, right here.
Underneath, behind its head, yeah.
Under its head.
That's super cool. And when you plug it in, if you guys have a Misty, it says this in the manual anyways, but if you have Misty and you plug it in, the fans kick in.
Yeah.
So don't be alarmed when you're plugging in that, oh, maybe my Misty's running too hot, or...
Maybe it's going to explode.
Yeah, that's exactly what it's doing. It's just running the fans to keep it nice and cool while it's charging.
Mm-hmm. And I also think for that USB thing,
Yep.
they have a battery voltage.
Oh, yeah?
So I think it's going to say, like, oh, 60%, 7.79 volts.
That's cool.
So,
Yeah, this thing has everything. It's too much to get everything to explain in one video. We're gonna have to make another video and show some other stuff.
Yeah.
But this is just a quick run at Misty 2, what we got so far, and I'm gonna put up probably right now on the screen all of the different parts, like what it has, like the 4K.
Yeah.
And I'll put the image up and I'll start putting arrows and labeling everything for you guys so you can see it.
Yeah. So
And I think that's pretty cool because then, like I said, you don't know what's in it.
Yeah.
And if you're coding, knowing that information is,
It's really good.
yeah, you have to know that stuff because otherwise, how are you gonna know what the program?
Mm-hmm. Reference to 4K, they have a 4K thing right here.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, you have different stuff on there.
So you can record and take photos.
Yeah. And so why don't you do that? Why don't you take a quick photo of yourself, and then you can see, we can show everybody how clear it is.
Do you mind if you just hit display photo?
Now you can hit it. Oh, right now. Okay.
Yeah. Once you hit display photo, it shows.
Ready?
Mhm.
All right. So it says 4K. Boom! Look at that photo. Holy moly. That's really good. I don't know how many robots out there have a 4K camera in it like
4K.
that. 4K, baby. All right. So is there anything else you want to show quickly before we move on, or?
Drive.
The drive. Oh yeah, you can drive it around. That's cool too. So, you know what? If somebody wants to, which would be really cool, is get the app to work with the to have it so you can drive it around with your phone or whatever.
Yeah, they actually have that.
Yeah. Oh, do they? Oh,
Yeah.
see,
You're behind.
You did more research than I did.
Whee!
Misty's pretty fast. Is that on the high speed?
Yeah.
That's pretty quick. Just looking up to the sky.
I believe I can fly.
All right, Ben. I think we showed enough. I don't want to get this video to be too long because I want to be able to show more in another video so you guys can see some other stuff
We
after
already showed a lot.
I know we have shown a lot, and I feel like we kind of rushed through it because there's so much there. But we will do it again, and we will show you more cool stuff from Misty.
Mm-hmm.
And I think Misty's probably one of the best robots going on right now. Like, look at that thing.
Look at it. It probably looks
I'd love to see somebody have that in an airport or even
just
anywhere.
telling you where to go. Like,
Yeah.
do you know where the nearest station is?
Or in a bank, could be a bank teller.
Yeah.
Be like, oh, you have $0.00 in your account.
What?
Anyways, all right, guys. Thanks for sending us Misty too.
Yeah.
And we're definitely going to keep with it, and we're going to find more scripts, and we're going to show you some cool stuff that Misty can do down the road. And I hope that you come back and watch it.
Yeah.
And I'll put the links down below once again if you want to check out Misty. I would.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thanks again. Bye, Misty. Can you make Misty say goodbye?
Yeah.
We'll make it say, bye, everyone. All right. Oh, there we go.
Bye, everyone.
Yeah, see you later, Misty. Oh, that's awesome.